Welcome back to our WordPress tutorial. In this video, I show you how to install a free theme and essential plugins to start your first website, all 100% free. So let's start. So let's start first the site, and then let's click WP admin so that we will go directly to the backend. So first is we need to install the themes. And a theme that I would like to install is Astra. So as you can see here, it loads up all the available theme that you can install for free. So you have thousands of choices here. In my case, I will choose Astra. It's a it's a beginner friendly, and it has a lot of feature to offer. Click install. And then click activate. So this is our theme now, Astra. And now we're going to install a page builder called Elementor, but we will use the free one. So let's head over to plugins and then click add plugin. Search for Elementor. So this is the plugin that we would like to install. This is a popular page builder. So let's click install now. After installing, we'll click activate. So you can see now that the Elementor is activated. So let's go to the pages first. If you try to see and edit this sample page, as you can see, there's an edit with Elementor. So we'll just click that. And we'll wait for the Elementor to show up. So this is the visual editor of Elementor. So as you can see, this is the elements in the sidebar. And this is the live preview of your page. So if I could close this structure first. So you can play around here. You can just drag. And for example, you want to add a elements, a flex box. Let's say we will add a heading. We can do that, and then you can click publish to publish the changes, and you can also at the top, and then there's a drop down. You can also draft the page, but in our case we save it to publish, so the draft is not available for now unless you change something in this element. So let's click and yeah, so let's click view page. So as you can see, the text that we added was shown at the bottom. So right now I'm going to go to settings. So as you can see here, you can customize your site title. You can change it here, and you can put a icon. So this is your currently your WordPress URL, and this is your administrator email. So basically, this email will receive all the notification from WordPress, and also this is the the from email sender if you use SMTP. And here is the user default, so you can change that, and also the time format. You can always change that or the time zone, but in my case, I will leave it default. I'm going to go to reading, and in here I'm gonna set my home page. So we'll change the your latest post to a static page, and then select the sample page, but we can also change this later. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it at that. And then I will just discourage the search engine from indexing this website because this is a demo site. But if we take this live, we need to uncheck this for enable the search engine to find this to index this website. So for now, I will just disable this. Then we'll go after that we will go to permalinks. So this is correct. So we'll just save that.
We are done with the settings. In the next video, we will design the header for our website. So I'll walk you through on how to get around with the header. So that's all. See you guys in the next video.